Alright, the continuation of the video. This is the sound. You can hear that sound. That's the sound. It's common with RS 350 Lexus, Toyota Avalon 2013 model upward. It's also common with Camry 2012 model upward. It also common with Toyota Venza from the first model upward, and also Toyota Corolla. And we also have it on RAV4, Toyota RAV4. Same issues. Steering sound. Most time when you are on a speed lane like this, you don't hear the noise, but when you are approaching any place that is kind of, maybe the road is rough, the road is not too smooth, that's where you hear the sound a lot. Or maybe you are engaging on that speed brake, trying to get past the speed brake, you hear the sound too. You can hear that. So that one is seat belts. Just taking a drive, so short drive. Alright, seatbelt is on, so pay attention to the sound again. You can hear the sound. That big review, that's rough sound. That's the sound. You can hear it. Yeah, that's the sound. Alright, thank you very much. Thanks for watching. So in the process of me fixing it, I'll also do a video to show the process, the things we do and how we do it. Thank you very much for watching.